scheme to addition to the electronic products that are being created. They are definitely putting a lot of effort on ease of doing business, and there is a sizable amount of promotion for bringing in more top global OEMs and component manufacturers into India. So this is what I wanted to say about the government part of it. But in addition to government is not only the stakeholder. There are other stakeholders who would make manufacturing in India a reality. So the other stakeholders are, we need to definitely make sure the academics come into play, and we also have to make sure the corporate has a fairly important role to play. The corporate or the business also comes in different flavors. We have large MNCs which work in India, which we also have Indian MNCs which work in India. So both these, both the large foreign MNCs as well as domestic MNCs have a play. As a result, it's not just the government alone which has to relook at the policy level decisions. It's important that we should also look at the rest of the people who are playing or who are the stakeholders in this particular market space. And what do we need to do is speed is the key, scale is the need, and strength is the catalyst. Beyond government interventions, we need to have, which is basically to do with policy framework, we need to create multiple effects to make in India the ESDM capital. And I just have one more slide here. How do we bring this multiplier effect? Is that if you look at it, the academia has to definitely size up to what we are doing at this point of time. We need to definitely do more amount of research and development in addition to, of course, the government policies. On the right side and the left side, if you look at it, there's a role that has to be played by the foreign OEMs as well as Indian OEMs. The foreign OEMs definitely have the leading edge in terms of technology and the domain access. That are the two things. In addition to, of course, they have global market access. So therefore, if they could bring those three things to India, and then you now have an interplay going on with the Indian OEMs. What have Indian OEMs done so well so far is that they have brought about scalability. They've been in a position to bring about process. They brought in process efficiency and made sure there's process innovation that happened. They've been in a position to establish, like what happened in the IT services too, the ability to deliver quality consistently over and over again. And there is a huge 1.2 billion market, 1.2 billion people market in the country at this point of time. So therefore, you have Indian OEMs which can bring about these trades. And then there is, we should not forget, a big play for the small and niche players. The small, medium, small, micro, medium enterprises also have an important role to play in this particular ecosystem. Certainly, I guess, innovation is what we are seeing with smaller companies. There are half a dozen of them or a dozen of them outside this hall. And I was very impressed with what I saw with them. And especially, I think what will become very important is some of these disruptions that you're seeing in technology. And especially two things which I'm very upbeat about. One is about Internet of Things, and the second one is on automation, especially industrial automation. So in these two areas, you'll find that there's more amount of innovation, and the innovation ability is for the smaller companies to move much faster, and so they have the ability to bring about more amount of innovation into this ecosystem. That will be largely done by either the micro, small, medium enterprises or the startup companies. So therefore, it's not fair to just say that government hasn't acted well. It's very relevant, very important that we need to have policy level decisions, a framework that has to be created by the government. Government has to give that impetus in order to ensure that we move forward. But equally important is the responsibility that is there with every one of us who is in this room, whether we belong to a foreign OEM, a domestic OEM, a small, micro, medium enterprise, or the education institutions to participate in this opportunity. Only then will you see that there's a multiplier effect that will come by, and that multiplier effect would make India the ESDM capital of this country. That's precisely my 20 minutes today. So thank you.